railroaders. This John Butler with Deer Woods Railroad. Right now we're doing some soldering on some LEDs. We're going to tint a little bit here. So, get back over there. See, get back over there. My little solder. Clean my soldering iron off right here. We're going to put a little solder on the positive side here. I can see this here. Yeah. A little bit there. Yeah. Put a little bit on my resistor here. A little bit on my resistor here. See there? There we go. Now I take my resistor, dip it in my flux a little bit. I want just a little bit of flux because these little things here, they're kind of hard. This is the hard part. See if you touch it right. Yeah, I don't want to move too much. No, I didn't get it. It's too much, don't it? Yeah, it's a bad thing about not being able to see good. Let's see if I can put it down here. This never happens when I don't film it. Get back over there. There you go. I'll get back over there. And I gotta have my tape back. Get my tape back over there. Get my tape on it, brother. I'm not seeing very good here, sorry. Looks like it's up in the air, so that's fine. That's where I struggle. I'm struggling again. Oh, come on. There we go. Don't put too much heat on it. Put too much heat on it. Alright. Now we're going to cut. Gotta cut a little bit of this off with my clippers. Clipper, dipper, and chipper. Alright, let's go. Alright, there we go, right there, baby. A little bit of that off. And got a little bit of that off. Okay. Get over there. Get over there out of the way. Those leftovers out of the way. Gonna put a little flux on here. Get over there. I gotta get some wire together now. Gotta get some wire. I cut some wire here somewhere. It's on the floor. What did I do with it? What did you do with the wire, young man? I don't know what I did with it. I think I found a piece of wire right here. Buy some more clippers, I think. Well, Chuck and Mark, that was a good video. Y'all coming down and visit old Chuck. Did some work on your fascia board, huh?